This is a Johnny Stewart Premium Crow's Hammerin Crow Call. In a blister pack there. Made in America. Got some good instructions on the back. The call itself is made of plastic mouthpiece. A groove there so you can attach a cord if you want to. Have it hanging around your neck. Save it being lost in your pocket amongst other bits and pieces you keep and getting grit and fluff inside it. Simple plastic construction. I shall have to have a read of the instructions, see what it sounds like, see if I can reproduce a crow call and then do a bit of practice with it. I shall then later on take it out into the field, film the results so you can hear what this sounds like and you can see if it does entice the crows in.